Hello, my name is Bill Fegis, and I would like to welcome you to the inaugural edition of Business Transformation 101. The objective of this weekly series is to provide ideas, thoughts, best practices, and real-world examples of transformational actions that will help companies achieve meaningful improvements and take their business to the next level. These actions represent building blocks that can be utilized to construct a unique, holistic business system that supports the culture the leadership is working to create and fits the vision and strategy of the business. Alternately, use these building blocks to make incremental improvements to your existing business and strategy. This series is being published in podcast format on the Business Transformation 101 YouTube channel and in a combination of written posting and podcast formats on LinkedIn on my page at URL www.linkedin.com/in/William Fegis. Ultimately, effective business transformation is the responsibility of the leadership team. It is incumbent upon the team to establish the culture and the strategy of the business. Ensure the team has the right players and appropriate tools to execute the strategy and produce results. The leadership team needs to walk the talk and lead the transformation by their actions. During the early part of my career, my management training and experience was done in traditional manufacturing companies and was based upon batch processing, command and control management, short-term thinking, and more stick than carrot employee motivation. The business results during this stage of my career were not consistent or upper quartile performance in the market. That changed when the company I was working for was acquired by Danaher Corporation. I was fortunate enough to spend 6 years in various division president roles at Danaher. My time at Danaher was a transformational experience and instilled in me the leadership approach I've used for the past 20 plus years at 5 different companies. Utilizing this leadership approach has produced consistent upper quartile performance. This leadership approach is built around 3 things: people, plans, and processes. Let's start with people. People are the key to a successful business. As Jim Collins so eloquently stated in his book, Good to Great, get the right people on the bus, the wrong people off the bus, and put the right people in the right seats. A players are needed on your bus to win, so set the expectations for the team on what constitutes an A player in each role. Then ensure that there are processes in place to assess, hire, compensate, and retain A players. We will discuss various aspects of building a team of A players in future podcasts. Second item is plans. The team cannot hit the desired performance if they do not know what the targets are. Plans developed by the team are necessary to provide goals, align the team, and set expectation. The leadership team needs to build both short-term annual operating plans and long-term strategic plans. These plans need to be integrated and consistent to ensure success. Balancing the resources applied to daily management for executing the annual operating plan with the resources applied to breakthrough management for executing a strategic plan is a significant challenge for most leadership teams. How do you effectively build and maintain a strong foundation while simultaneously implementing breakthrough performance on top of the foundation? Once again, we will address these questions in future podcasts. The final item is processes. To ensure a business provides consistent, sustainable, improving performance, robust processes need to be deployed in all aspects of the business. Day-to-day and shift-to-shift processes must be implemented to ensure consistent safety, quality, delivery, and cost, SQDC. Many people view Lean as a manufacturing-only methodology. This is a critical mistake. Lean applies to any process and therefore is applicable across the business and must be deployed across the enterprise. For example, new product development should have documented processes for voice of the customer capture all the way to product end of life. The finance team should have monthly close process that's efficient and documented. The sales team should have a documented sales funnel process and a value-added selling process. To win, lean processes should be utilized in every corner of the business. This topic will be a major component in future podcasts. In addition to my musings on these three topics, we will be engaging thought leaders and experienced practitioners to share their insights on these topics. In the interest of continuous improvement, I invite feedback from our listeners. Please share your thoughts and ideas on these weekly postings and suggest topics that would provide useful information to our listeners. In the next podcast, we will discuss who to select for the team. Hopefully you will join us.